This is a top-to-bottom overview of the work-ready Brandt UPR1124 ramp deck trailer. Today, we'll be looking at some of the unique features that set it apart for the competition and make this trailer easier to operate, safer, and easier to own. The UPR1124 delivers a rated capacity of 11 tons and a deck length of 24 feet, with an additional 5 feet from the full-width ramps for a grand total of 29 feet. This ultra-dependable ramp deck trailer features a tried-and-tested design that minimizes failure points, allowing it to pull through where others fail. Another thing that makes the UPR1124 really stand out is the frame. The frame is reinforced with 3x2-inch rectangular hollow structural steel crossmembers and features a straightforward design that utilizes fewer moving parts to increase uptime and profitability for your operation. As mentioned earlier, each one of these trailers features full-width dual rear ramps that are spring-assisted to reduce strain on the operator when moving them into place. The most important feature about the ramps is that the ramp surface is corrugated and is cleats, as you'll see here. The corrugations keep the buildup of materials like snow or mud on the ramps to a minimum by allowing them to easily pass through the ramp surface, and the cleats provide ample traction for loading a wide range of equipment, which translates to easier and safer operation of the trailer. Safety is critical on the job site, which is why these trailers are designed with key features to maximize operator protection. Each one of these trailers comes standard with premium Fir Decking that provides better traction for the operator in wet and frozen conditions, so they're less likely to slip. But the biggest benefit of this type of decking is its high density and hardness, which makes it more resistant to the warping and splitting that commonly occurs after prolonged use. This material is also going to stand up to more abuse and last longer before it needs to be replaced. To ensure the safe distribution of weight between axles when carrying heavy loads, the UPR1124 ramp deck features a slipper spring suspension system, which is optimized for each trailer, with fewer moving parts for easier maintenance. The UPR1124 is also available in a triple 7,000-pound axle configuration or tandem 10,000-pound axle configuration, both of which also feature slipper spring suspension systems. And these trailers are equipped with forward self-adjusting brakes to keep brakes at their peak performance for longer without the need for manual adjustments. Easier to own. As with all work-ready Brandt utility trailers, the UPR1124 ramp deck is backed by the best support in the business, with flexible purchasing options available, including rentals, rental purchasing, leasing, as well as conventional financing. It also comes with an industry-leading 5-year structural, 2-year bumper-to-bumper warranty to help make ownership stress-free. The UPR1124 ramp deck trailer is built to support your fleet through thick and thin, with superior reliability and more durable components, for a piece of equipment you can count on every single day. For a list of available options or to request a quote, contact your nearest Brandt dealer or visit brandt.ca today.